AstroAI 100 PSI portable air compressor maximizes your tire's ability while saving you money. Its simple and lightweight design means it travels anywhere you do. Just stow it in your vehicle's trunk, garage, toolbox, or anywhere you might need it. Set it and forget it means that after setting your desired pressure, the compressor will inflate up to your preset level and automatically turn off. This compressor fills tires on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles with ease. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading. We're also throwing in a clip-on shuck to make inflating your tires even easier. Included accessories make it simple to inflate sports equipment and other inflatables to keep you going on all of life's adventures.